Hello, everyone. It is another wintry weather here in Tennessee. I decided to create something fun while stuck at home. I hope you get some ideas or inspiration from this fun project. I ordered this birdhouse kit on Amazon for $18. It came with 4 pack of wooden birdhouses, hemp cording, 6 paints, paint brushes, and tubes of glue. For more details, you can check Amazon. The natural wooden boards of the birdhouse are pre-cut and slotted. No nails or hammers are required, and children can assemble them. Also, I used my glue gun to reinforce it. I used leftover acrylic pouring paints from my previous projects instead of what came with the kit. I hope you enjoyed the video. During the winter months in Tennessee, I see all kinds of birds, often more than I can count. Though I know some species, I can't identify most of them. Although I could be clueless about what they are, each of them the Creator knows. I often wondered how they survive the coldest, hottest, and rainiest days. Where do they take shelter, and how do they find food? Birds don't prepare for the future by planting crops, gathering the harvest, or storing for the future. God reminded me that He cares and feeds them every day. Aside from enjoyment of watching birds, I give little thought to birds in the overall scope of life. As human beings, we are the high point of His creation. We matter much more to Him than birds. Jesus said that if His Father will feed the birds, how much more will He care for us? Have faith and do not gripe. Take the carefree birds as your example. Do you ever see them worry? They neither grow their food nor put it in a storehouse for later. Yet God takes care of every one of them, feeding each of them out of the abundance of His love and goodness. God cares for us even more than He cares for the birds. Yet God cares for them. Thank you, Father, for taking care of us.